Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Today I'm going to be reviewing Beardbrand's fragrance sample packs. I'm looking specifically to find one or two, hopefully, that I like well enough to buy. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to kick things off with Beardbrand's Silver line, which is comprised of 3 different fragrances. We got Spice Citrus, Tree Ranger, and Tea Tree. Alright, let's get into the first one. Spice Citrus. Alright, let's take a whiff. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that one. It honestly, it smells a lot like licorice and bubblegum. It kind of reminds me of the Honest Amish smell. Not a real big fan of that. Yeah, I'm not a big fan. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. All right, the next one is Tree Ranger. All right, let's give this a whiff and see how this smells. All right. Oh man, it's definitely a unique smell. Honestly, it smells like Christmas tree sap mixed with like Bactine. You know, we use on on wounds. The smell. It's not real. It's kind of laid back smell. It's not like in your face or anything, but yeah, I'd say Christmas tree mixed with Bactine. It's kind of a weird combo. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. All right, well, let's move on to the next one. All right, now for the third and final one in the silver line. All right, let's give it a little whiff. Yeah, yeah, that's definitely minty. It's very strong and in your face. Man, it hold on. It has a real chemical smell to it. It smells like there's chemicals in it. It smells like a York peppermint patty, like, but it has like a chemical smell, like Raid bug spray or something. Like it has that weird chemical smell to it, man. Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't go with this one either. It's definitely yeah. Yeah, it smells like Raid bug spray mixed with peppermint patties, like the York peppermint patty. Yeah. All right, let's go on to the gold line. Let's check that out. All right. All right. So in the gold line, we got 3 more fragrances. We got 4 Vices, Old Money, and Temple Smoke. All right. Now these are more expensive, and they're supposed to be the superior fragrances and smell a lot better than the silver line. So let's see. All right, getting into the first one, 4 Vices. Let's give that a whiff. Oh man. It has like a baby powdery smell. It's like it's definitely complex. It has complexity to it. Man, it reminds me of when we were a kid, or when I was a kid, I should say, when incense became a big thing. Burning incense in your room or in your house, you know, you had it on a little stand thing. Honestly, it smells like some of those incense burning mixed with baby powder. Yeah, it smells like baby powder mixed with incense. Um, Again, it's not like super strong and in your face, but yeah, it's kind of complex. Not really a big fan of it, but I think we're getting better in the gold line. Let's move on to the next one. All right. All right, guys. So I got the next one here. It's called Old Money. Let's check it out. All right. Not this is this is straight up Old Spice. This is original Old Spice smell. That Yeah, they just renamed it Old Money instead of Old Spice. So if you liked Old Spice, the original smell of Old Spice, you'll love Old Money. Yeah, that has to be what it is. They just rebranded it. All right, guys. Now we're on to the final one, Temple Smoke. Now this is supposed to be like the best one most people like, so let's give it a whirl. All right. Like Wow. Man, smells real familiar. Like, I can't put my finger on it though. Man, it reminds me of something. I just don't know what. It's very complex, man. I actually like this one. Like man, it reminds me of something from my childhood or something, but I just don't remember what it is. But it smells good. It smells sophisticated, if that makes any sense. Like it smells manly and sophisticated, very complex. Man, yeah, I I like this one. Yeah, I do. I like this one. I think this is the best one they got. All right, yeah, I'm gonna order some of this. Smells very nice. I'm gonna order some of this, and then once I get it in, I'll do a review on it. See how the actual beard oil, man, how it actually holds up in the beard, you know. But yeah, I like this one. Temple Smoke. All right, it gets my recommendation on that one. The others, yeah, not so much. But Temple Smoke, man, this shit's good. All right, well, that's all the fragrant samples. Let's wrap this up. So today we covered Beardbrand's Silver line and their Gold line. All right, in their Silver line, they had Spice Citrus, the Tree Ranger, and the Tea Tree. Now, I didn't care for any of those at all whatsoever. I won't be buying any of those. Now, in their Gold line, they had Four Vices, which is all right. Old Money, that was just straight up the original Old Spice smell. And then Temple Smoke, I'm gonna order that. I like that Temple Smoke. So I'm gonna order some of that. As soon as I get that in, I'll do a review on that, on the beard oil and some other products from them, as long as it's Temple Smoke smell, because I don't want none of that other garbage. All right. So, hey, it is what it is, man. All right. Now, if y'all enjoyed this content, I'd appreciate a subscribe or a thumbs up. All right. It'd really help my channel. All right. Feel me? But with that said, have a great day. All right, guys. So we got the Silver line. The first one on that is the Citrus Spice. No, God, spiced citrus.